The VisionPro SP3D is ASC International's most cost-effective offline 3D solder paste inspection solution. The SP3D has sophisticated laser-based sensor technology coupled with a user-friendly interface and updated Windows 10 operating system. The VisionPro SP3D provides an exceptional value proposition for those electronic manufacturers searching for a post-print yield improvement strategy with an unmatched return on investment ratio. Feature list includes photorealistic cross-sectional paste profiling for advanced qualitative analysis, onboard fully integrated SBC run charts, histogram charts, and custom data reports, barcoding, data tagging, defect review, corrective actions, and many more data management features allow for complete traceability. Gerber Pro import to generate easy-to-use program scripts, best-in-class gauge R&R, top-of-the-line high-resolution color camera with precision optics, and an industry-leading 2-year warranty. The bottom line, the VisionPro SP3D offers the lowest cost of ownership for any offline SPI machine of this quality and capability globally. SP3D has a quad mode interface. The upper left-hand quadrant is for the live images. Upper right-hand quadrant is for our X-bar and R charts, histogram charts. The lower left-hand corner is for profiling, both cross-sectional and 3D rendering. And the bottom right-hand corner is for our Gerber import viewer information. Operator simply loads a job, moves the board from point to point. System will automatically calculate the height, area, volume, width of the solder features, automatically updates information on the X-bar and our run charts as well as a histogram, provide you with a guide on the Gerber import viewer to show you where you're located for each measurement. Once the measurements are completed, it'll bring up a pass or failure. Once the operator chooses error review, you can go back and review the specific location that had a failure. You can see in this specific instance, the far left paste deposit is low, yielding a defect. It provides you with a cross-sectional image to show the differential between all the other pads. You can add corrective actions for future review. And once the job is completed, continue and provide the next board for inspection. Any further questions, please visit us at ascinternational.com. Thank you.